strawberry Oreo milk smoothie or strawberry Oreo milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Oreo milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the fresh strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make the milkshakes recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the Oreo recipes and one of the most healthiest of the strawberry recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes. Today we're going to make strawberry Oreo milk smoothie. We have taken around 40 to 50 grams of strawberry, around 5 to 6 Oreo biscuits, and around 50 to 75 grams of sugar. Put in the strawberry pieces and the Oreo biscuits. And the sugar. Into the blender. Close and grind and blend well. Pour in around 200 to 300 ml of milk. Now the strawberry Oreo milkshake or strawberry Oreo milk smoothie is ready and can be served into the glasses. Now pour in the milkshake or smoothie into the glass. Strawberry Oreo milk smoothie or Oreo strawberry milk smoothie or Oreo strawberry milkshake are the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the strawberry recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Oreo recipes and one of the most unique of the Oreo milkshake recipes and one of the most healthiest of the fresh strawberry milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.